Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are bringing best engineering technical projects for you. So let's begin. In this video, we will see low-cost two-wheeler pallet lifter by using scissor lift mechanism. So let's start. Nowadays, in the two-wheeler garage, mechanics do repair and maintenance of two-wheelers in seating posture. They require to sit in the posture like as shown in figure. In this posture, they used to sit for a long time, and due to this, following problems they are facing backbone problems, the leg cramps and pain in body parts. Human stress and strain is maximum. Surrounding workplace is not clean, and tools and tackles are not at proper place. Frequently, two-wheeler requires to bend slightly for repair of engine and regular maintenance work. Presently in the market, semi-automatic, motorized and hydraulic operated two-wheelers pallets are available, but these machineries are not affordable to small two-wheeler garage mechanics. Here, we have tried to develop manual operated, low-cost two-wheeler lifting pallet by using scissor lift mechanism. So let's begin. Welcome. We are helping hands for all types of engineering technical projects.
Welcome to Engineering Cart for engineering problem solutions.
We are in the field of technical projects. We are helping hands for school level and engineering project work. We support and give guideline for fabrication and manufacturing of engineering projects, guideline for synopsis, PPT, report writing, guideline for design calculations and drawings. Now we will see the detailed construction of the developed model. In this mechanism, we have used a scissor lift mechanism. This scissor lift mechanism formed with the mechanical linkage as shown in 3D model, and in between these linkage, turning pairs are used. The suitable screw and nut or rack and pinion pair we can use to give effort to move scissor lift upward and downward as per requirement of mechanics. Also, to get mechanical advantage, here in the developed model, we have used worm and worm bear box to avoid buckling of scissor lift due to load of two-wheeler. The support guide bars are given. All components are assembled as shown in figure. Now we will see the working of developed model. At the initial position, the pallet is at its bottom position. At this position, we can able to rest or park the two-wheeler or main stand on the pallet. The handle is attached to gearbox input shaft, and the manual power is transmitted to pinion through gearbox. Here, in this developed model, we have used the rack and pinion pair to lift the pallet. When pinion will get rotate due to rack, the scissor lift mechanism will lift the pallet upward as shown in the video. To avoid buckling and for smooth lifting of pallet, the vertical support guide bars are given. Due to worm and worm bear box, the automatic locking of pallet will take place and the pallet will not come down. As per requirement of mechanic, he can set the height of the pallet and do the repair and maintenance comfortably. Here we have developed the prototype and the detailed working we can see in the video. The robust fabricated frame is provided to run the machine smoothly. Major design points considered. Mechanical mechanism is very simple. This mechanism fulfills the need of two-wheeler mechanics. Health-related problems will get minimized due to proper body posture. Manual efforts are reduced. One operator can handle the machine. Proper workplace will get developed. The machine is portable, easy for movement from one place to another. Please do not forget like and share the video. Also give comments and feedbacks for our work. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos updates. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.